Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Arjun based UGV awaits Army green light. DRDO is seeking the Indian Army's approval to develop an unmanned ground combat vehicle based on the country's Arjun Mk1A main battle tank. The proposal put forward in 2022 by DRDO's Combat Vehicle Research and Development Establishment envisions the UGV leveraging the Arjun Mk1A robust design and capabilities. The new unmanned platform would be specially tailored for India's harsh desert terrain along the western border where the Arjun Mk1A is currently deployed. Next, Navy considering upgrading P-81 fleet. Indian Navy is evaluating a potential upgrade package for its fleet of 12 Boeing P-81 maritime patrol aircraft. The upgrade, designated in Increment 3 Block 2, promise significant improvements in the P-81's ability to detect, track, and engage even the most advanced submarines. Next, strides in autonomous swarming UAV technology. New Space Research and Technologies has achieved a significant breakthrough in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles with the successful initial testing of its fixed-wing swarming UAV stack. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to revolutionize aerial combat operations. Next, need for 42 fighter squadrons despite drone procurement. The Indian Air Force finds itself at a crucial juncture, strategically assessing the needs and capabilities amidst evolving regional security dynamics. In a recent statement, IAF official emphasized the imperative of maintaining a fleet of 42 squadrons of manned fighter jets, underscoring the necessity to confront potential two-front threats effectively, while plans to procure unmanned aerial vehicles, unmanned combat aerial vehicles and loyal wingman platforms are in motion. It is clear that these unmanned platforms cannot fully substitute manned fighter jets. Next, LCA Tejas trainer in Surya Kiran colors, igniting debate. A captivating artist rendition by Kuntal Biswas of the LCA Tejas trainer aircraft adorned in the vibrant colors of the Surya Kiran aerobatic team has set the internet abuzz. This artistic vision has sparked a fervent discussion among netizens, according to the advocating for the adoption of the LCA Tejas trainer for the Indian Air Force aerobatic team. Currently, the Surya Kiran team, also known as SCAT, utilizing BAE Systems Hawk advanced jet trainers for their awe-inspiring displays. Next, UAE and China discuss military cooperation. Major General Saleh Mohammed bin Mazren Al Ameri, commander of Joint Operations for the United Arab Emirates, recently embarked on a visit to the People's Republic of China. Accompanied by a delegation from the UAE Ministry of Defense, his trip began with a meeting in Beijing with General Chang Dingalu, commander of the Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force. Thank you.